Who hasn't faced the plight of unpredictable acne or wished for a brighter, more radiant complexion? Imagine a world where the solution to these woes lies right within your pantry. Today, uncover the secrets of an all-natural DIY face mask that not only targets acne but also promises a luminous glow. This concoction uses just honey and rice soup. Simple, yet profoundly effective. Begin by preparing the rice soup. Take half a cup of rice and rinse it thoroughly to remove any impurities. Place the clean rice in a pot and add 3 cups of water. Bring this to a boil, then simmer it on low heat for about 20 minutes. What you're aiming for is a creamy, slightly thick consistency. Once achieved, strain the mixture, preserving the liquid, which is your rice soup. Now, the magic ingredient, honey. Renowned for its antibacterial properties and skin-soothing effects, honey is a powerhouse for combating acne and enhancing skin brightness. Measure out 2 tablespoons of organic honey. Ensure it's pure to get the full benefits. Mix the 2 tablespoons of honey with 4 tablespoons of your freshly made rice soup in a clean bowl. Stir this blend until the honey is completely dissolved, creating a smooth, unified mixture. Congratulations! Your homemade acne and whitening face mask is ready. Apply this mask to a clean face using gentle, circular motions. Allow the natural ingredients to work their magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, the honey's antibacterial properties help reduce acne-causing bacteria, while the rice soup works to brighten and even out your skin tone. After the time is up, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. For best results, indulge in this ritual twice a week. Over time, you may notice not just reduced acne, but also a more vibrant and youthful complexion. Feel inspired to try crafting this simple yet effective face mask. Whip up this mixture, apply it, and see the transformation unfold. Share your results and experiences. Who knew such common kitchen ingredients could unveil your most beautiful skin yet? Remember, the best skincare remedies are often the most natural ones, waiting to be discovered in the nooks of your own home.